How's it going today, guys? So this is my new used 2006 Acura TL. It is a base model. I've literally waited 2 months because of all the COVID shutdowns. I live in PA, and my governor decided that shutting down the department of the DMV that handles titles and things like that was a good idea. So 2 months later, here we go. So she's a little rough on the outside. I probably could have got it a little bit cheaper than what I did. This down here, I know someone that hopefully can do this, get that off for about 50 bucks. Spent a lot of time cleaning it. I'm going to paint these wheels eventually and probably use them as my winter set because there's snow tires on there. So I've been actively looking for a set of wheels on Facebook. So far I've pretty much just cleaned the interior pretty good. I still have some buffing to do. I did buff it out. The interior is pretty clean for the most part. There's just that one little spot there in the leather that I'm not sure what I can do about that, but I did order some Chemical Guys leather cleaner and conditioner, so when that arrives we'll be getting this leather a lot cleaner than the products that I used that didn't do too great of a job. This is the interior. As I said, the interior is pretty clean. Got lucky on that. I'm going to be having a lot of videos on this, mostly, how to put LED lights in, things like that. Maybe some maintenance items, but I'm not planning on turning this into a show car. This is just going to be a nice daily. I know I'm going to do a video on how I replace these. They're about 23 bucks on eBay for each side, and both of mine have this brown, not really sure what's going on there, but it's driving me nuts. So this is going to be one of the first things I do. And another thing that needs to be addressed are these foot struts, and I've actually already removed the left side, but they're both shot, and it's driving me nuts. Every time I have to check the oil or anything. I gotta get my hockey stick to keep the car off. This, I did order one of these. There was a crack in there when I changed out the engine filter, so I might do a quick video on that. I did get the engine bay looking half decent. I didn't go ape on it or anything, but we are inside the car. When I first got it, the radio had an error code. I don't know if the previous owner had the battery disconnected or what, but I'm pretty sure it's a security feature. You have to reset the radio when you unplug. If the battery's unplugged, you're gonna have to reset the radio. And there's a 5-digit code that should be in your on the little card somewhere in your user manual booklet. Might do a short video on that. Definitely going to have a video on putting LEDs here. I've actually already done it. But there's definitely going to be a video on that. Stay tuned. Just a short little video, guys. If you guys could like this video and subscribe. If you're into these types of cars, there will be more videos, particularly on this car, hopefully other cars in the days to come. Thanks, guys.